Hi, can you think of a washing machine that is not only efficient but smart too? Let me tell you everything about the LG Top Load washing machine with Smart Inverter technology. It works on Smart Inverter, which is an energy-saving technology that eliminates unnecessary operations by efficiently controlling energy use. Also, 3 Smart Motion combined with Turbo Drum and precise Smart Inverter control upgrades the wash and provides a better performance. During power cuts, Auto Restart allows the program to restart all by itself. And if the power cord is plugged in, it does not consume power on standby mode. And what's even more awesome? In case of any error, you can use the LG app or make a phone call to the LG Service Center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits, which means more convenience. So be smart and bring home the LG Top Load Smart Inverter washing machine and make your life easy and comfortable.